Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's a matter of great pride for me to be speaking on this occasion when my fellow Asian brethren are being facilitated for excelling in their business ventures. On behalf of Himland Real Estate India, I would like to congratulate you all. Ladies and gentlemen, while you're focused on your own business ventures, I would like to draw your attention towards India, or do I say Himachal Pradesh, or to be more precise, Baddi in Himachal Pradesh. But before I do that, let's take a closer look at Himachal Pradesh, the land of gods. Before we talk any further, ladies and gentlemen, let me talk something about the history of Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh was inhabited by human beings since the dawn of civilization. It has a rich and varied history which can be divided into several distinct eras. About 2 million years ago, man lived in the foothills of Himachal, Bangna Valley of Kangra, Sarsa Valley of Nalagarh, and Markanda Valley of Sirmaur. The foothills of the state were inhabited by people from Indus Valley civilization, which flourished between 2250 and 1750 BC. People of Indus Valley civilization pushed the original inhabitants of the Ganges towards the north. They moved to the hills of Himachal Pradesh where they could live peacefully and preserve their way of life. The second phase of migrants came in the form of the Mongoloid people known as the Bhotas and the Kiradas. And later on came the third and the most important wave of migrants in the form of Aryans who left their Central Asian home. These laid the base of history and culture of Himachal Pradesh. Talking of the present day history of Himachal Pradesh, the Chief Commissioner's province of Himachal Pradesh came into existence on the 15th of April 1948. Later on, Himachal Pradesh became Union Territory on the 1st of November 1956. On the 18th of December 1970, the State of Himachal Pradesh Act was passed and the new state came into being on the 25th of January 1971. Thus, HP emerged as the 18th state of Indian Union. Here are some more facts about Himachal Pradesh. So that was Himachal Pradesh for you, ladies and gentlemen. Let's move closer to our project, HimCity Baddi now. But before I do that, let me mention a little about this beautiful place called Baddi. Once a serene, calm township of Himachal Pradesh, Baddi is now a fast-growing industrial hub of the country, covering an area of approximately 3 million square meters, being in close proximity to Chandigarh, the capital city of Punjab and Haryana. Baddi is growing in leaps and bounds as far as structural development is concerned. Because of a tax holiday package that was offered by the central government of India, industrialists from all over the country and abroad are looking at Baddi as the industrial destination. In the past 3 years, approximately 25,000 crores of rupees have been invested in this township that comprises of 5 industrial areas where approximately 2,500 industrial units have been granted permission, out of which 1,500 plus are already operational. Baddi boasts of the largest pharmaceutical hub in Asia. Its proposal to connect Baddi with Chandigarh by the Indian Railways is already being seen as a big attraction by the industrialists. This would definitely boost real estate. As per the reports of survey that we had conducted, about 6,000 dwelling units are likely to come up in the next 2 years, and that is not enough to meet the requirement of 10,000 units. This would mean that there is ample scope for growth of real estate business in Baddi. And believe me, we are looking at a growth of anything between 50% to 100% in the next 2 years' time. In fact, what we are coming up with is not merely apartments. HimCity is truly going to be a mini township in Baddi. We have plans to develop a shopping mall, a multiplex, a high school, a community center, and a clubhouse. The details of the project, I would like to mention here that the land development work is complete already. Work with regard to residential areas has begun and the entrance to the HimCity is under construction. We have a team of highly qualified professionals who are working on the project. I would also like to mention here that different formalities with regard to various government departments has already been completed, and we have received the approvals from governing agencies in this regard? Well, gentlemen, when half the world is facing economic crisis, HIMCITY in particular is offering you a golden opportunity to invest in this gold mine, which will ensure good returns in the next future. Invest in HIMCITY Baddi. Thank you very much for sparing your valuable time, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much.